If you don't currently have a USB with the ShopBot software already loaded onto it, this video can help you download and load to a USB for use on the ShopBot. First, go to a browser like Google, Firefox, or Microsoft Edge. I'm in Firefox here. Go to www.shopbottools.com. You should see our logo on the page. Head over to the link, Current Software. Click on this link and we will reach the ShopBot Control Software download page. Scrolling down to each of the blue bolded sections shows a different version of the control software. The current version of the software will be at the top and is currently 3.8.48. If you don't know which software you need, contact ShopBot Tools technical support at support@shopbottools.com. 3.6.46 is for tools between July of 04 and September of 07. Generally, this is for tools using serial to USB connection. 3.4.27 is for serial to serial connections and tools from between 2000 and 2004. Version 2.38 is for DOS-based ShopBot tools from 1995 until 2000. For this demonstration, we want the current version. We'll find that version towards the top, labeled 3.8.48. Here we will find the download link. Click to download and you should get a prompt for action. In Firefox, I get this window where I will click to save the file. We don't want to click to run the file here unless we are installing it on this PC. We want to open the downloads folder containing the setup file we just downloaded. In Firefox and other browsers, you'll likely have an option called Open Containing Folder. Here in Firefox, it is this folder icon. Clicking this will directly open the downloads location where we will find the ShopBot 3 setup file. Another way to find this location and file is by opening the File Explorer. To do this, we open any folder. Here I will click the File Explorer shortcut on the bottom of the desktop. Once in the File Explorer, you may see the Quick Access menu. This menu may have a downloads link and you can click that to find the file. If you don't have the Quick Access menu, you should still see a PC or main drive location. Head to this C drive. From the C drive, head to Users. Then select and open your user account. Then open the downloads path. Now that the file is downloaded, we need to get it to our control PC. USB is the most common and often the simplest method to use. We will take this file and copy it over by right-clicking and selecting Copy. Make sure your USB drive is inserted or insert it now. Head over to the USB from the Quick Access menu or by going to the PC and double-clicking on the USB drive in Devices and Drives. Now right-click in the USB location and select to paste. The setup file is now loaded onto the drive and can be moved over to the ShopBot control PC.